Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can overlay a video over a video on Davinci Resolve 18. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Davinci Resolve 18. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top menu and search for file. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it and then search for import. Hover your mouse over it and then go to this menu. From here, you can either import a bin, media from XML, timelines, subtitle, preconformed EDL, and lastly, batch list from EDL. Go ahead and click on media and then search for the video that you want to add. So in my case, I'm going to add two videos, the one that I'm going to use in the background and the one that I'm going to overlay over it. So I'm going to select them both and click on open. Once you do that, you might get this message. You can click on change and they will be added to your timeline. So right now, the first thing that you need to do guys is drag them both right here to the timeline. So for example, I'm going to use this one in the background like this. And then I'm going to drag the second one like that over it. And right now, this video is on the top of this one. So we're going to go to edit. And then once you click on edit, go to the top menu, make sure that you click on inspector. And then you're going to be right here in this menu. Make sure that you select the video in the top. And then you can change the size of the video, zoom, position, vertically and horizontally. You can change the rotation angle, the anchor point, pitch, yaw, and you can flip it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.